Guys, the season is upon us. And this year, I am going to be participating in Vlogmas. Whew. Guys, pray for us, sister, because it's not as easy as it sounds. 25 videos in 25 days. Yeah, I'm going to try it. Most of my videos are not going to be really long. They're just going to be something short, simple, and sweet. Of course, I'm going to throw a couple of tablescapes in there, some DIYs and some other things. So, let's get this 25-day party started. Enjoy, guys. I'm not going to show you how I prepare every ornament. I'm just going to show you one and you can go from there. So this one, I have some wire that I got from Michael's, and I'm just taking a little hot glue and putting it right down in the center of that. It has styrofoam. I'm going to stick this right in there. Let that sit up to dry. I'm going to do the rest. I'll put that one in already. Now let's go ahead and put some of the other ones in there. That turned out absolutely beautiful, guys. Let's take a closer look at it. got some of these picks at Michael's. Some of the Christmas balls from Dollar Tree. The vase a neighbor gave to me, but it turned out beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to this channel, go right ahead and hit that subscribe button, like and comment on this video, and thank you so much for watching. Be blessed and have a wonderful, peaceful, joyous holidays.